Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am going to show you a set that I've done on my practice hand. So I'm just using candy from NTS with the Mono Miracle, which is the monomer that's like primer free, you don't need to use primer with it. And my size 12 brush, beautiful brush that I showed you the other day on the channel. So I'm just applying that to the full nail, making sure it's tucked in nicely at that cuticle, patting and pressing where I want it, and the same again, feathering it up and then making sure I'm keeping my shape as best I can. Just pat and press. And I'm just going to do the same on this nail. So it's quite a basic acrylic set, but then there's more to it after. You'll see what I mean. Yeah, so while I've not really got much to say about the design, I just thought I'd tell you about the giveaway that's on my channel. It's a few videos down, I think it's about 5 or 6 videos down now. But go ahead and enter that, it could be another chance of winning all them goodies. I'm not sure when I'm going to be drawing it yet. Really, I wanted to reach for 1,000 subscribers, so if you could share it and stuff like that, then that would be great. I want to try and get to my target when I came on YouTube was just to hit 1,000 subscribers, like, yeah, so I'm really trying for that this year. So I'm not sure, I might draw it before then, I'm not sure yet, I'll just see what happens. Anyway, so yeah, just applying that. So then I'm going to come in with this deep smile line cutter, and I'm just measuring there to see which fits best. And that's from Nail Tech Supplies as well. I'll leave links and discount codes and everything in the description box like I normally do anyway. So I'm just gonna put on as much as I feel like I need of the candy, the nail bed colour that I'm using, and then I'm gonna use that smile line cutter to cut into that acrylic, sorry, can't speak today, to cut into that acrylic and give me the smile line shape that I want. And then, like, if you get any excess, like you can see at the sides there, I just use my brush, and then, bad practice using my fingers, naughty, should never do that, never ever do that, do as I say, not as I do. Be my own fault if you end up with allergies, eh? So then I realised what I just did, and I got my tweezers and I just pulled the rest of that away on the other side. And then I'm just showing you the thickness of the smile line there, of how much acrylic I've applied. And then again, I'm just going to do a full nail of the candy. And yeah, I'll just let you watch. Okay, so I'm coming in on the thumb now with candy again, and I'm going to apply as much as I feel like I need. That bead was a little bit sloppy for me, like it was a bit wet for me. I shouldn't have picked it up that wet, that's why I'm just like smoothing it down. But yeah, I'm going to apply as much as I feel like I need, and then I'm going to go in again with the smile line cutter. So again, you just see me measuring it up there, which one I think is best while it's not quite ready. So yeah, the timing is really important when using things like this. So kind of like your 3D, you want to wait for it to start going matte before you cut into it, because otherwise it'll just splodge everywhere and you'll just end up with a right mess. So again, I'm just getting off any excess with the tweezers. Literally just peels off anyway. Bad practice, Marie should stop doing that, honestly. So yeah, now I'm going to come in with white feathers and I'm just going to apply that to the smile lines. So I'm just going to let you watch again. I'd forgotten to say as well that when you're doing this, don't worry about the white going over the pink, because once you file it through, it'll be a lovely crisp smile line anyway, and it's so satisfying to watch when you do it. I know I'm such a weirdo, I create work for myself, but yeah, don't worry about it if you go over the smile line, because like I say, you can file it through, it'll be fine. So I've filed and shaped off camera, but I am going to file in the smile lines just so you can see. It's so satisfying. I think so anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to show you me filing them off, the excess. And you can see how lovely they come out. And you know, them smile line cutters are nice and easy to use. It's nice and easy to get your like French all the same then without having to worry. So yeah, really enjoyed using it. But yeah, you can order yours at ntsnailtechsupplies.com. Use code Marisha10. I'll leave it all in the description box anyway. But yeah, I don't get paid for that, by the way. It is literally just a code for you guys to use. So I'm just applying some top coat. So I'm applying shiny top coat to the smile lines, and then I'm going to apply matte top coat to the others. That's why it's like separate, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to matte top coat these ones and then pop them in the lamp. So now I'm just coming in with some gel paints and a fine detailer brush, and I'm just applying some white and some blue swirls. I thought they look really pretty. So there's not really much else I can say. But yeah, if there's anything you want to see, anything you want me to do or try out or anything like that, just let me know and I'll try my best to get it done for you. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one. So thanks for joining, guys. Bye.